A lot of people say that golfers are very boring.
That's not true. Golf is very fun. Focus on your dreams and it'll pay off. It'll definitely, yeah.
स्पॉडकास्ट के इस खصوصी प्रोग्राम में आप सभी का इस्तकबाल है। मैं हूं आपका होस्ट और दोस्त मोहम्मद अमीन और हमारे इस एपिसोड में हर हफ्ते की तरह इस बार भी एक एथलीट मौजूद हैं और आज हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं 17 ईयर ओल्ड थाईलैंड के एक बहुत ही प्रॉमिसिंग गोल्फर जो इन दिनों कतर में मुकीम है, कंचना। नाम उनका शॉर्ट ही लेते हैं, थोड़ा सा इंडियन नेम है एंड वी वेलकम कंचना टू आवर शो।
Thank you for having me.
What is this Indianized name of Kanchana?
Well, it was my grandfather who wanted to name me. In Thailand, it's a very popular name.
Okay.
And there's a town called Kanchana Duangsam, so it kind of relates to it, yeah.
What does it mean? Like,
it means gold.
it means gold.
Yeah.
So who noticed it that, no, okay, Kanchana has that potential to become a golfer?
My dad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thailand has a lot of, well-known golfers, especially from the, women's circuit. So why do you think, they are producing so many good golfers?
I think it's just the way that we put in our work, definitely with the golf, the amount of practice that we put in, and just being able to play really well, and mentally, our mental game is really good. So that's one of the two things that golf is a lot on.
A lot of people say that golfers are very boring.
That's not true. Golf is very fun.
Golfers, they don't find their time, They are very much preoccupied with the driving,
Yeah.
going to the courses, spending most of their time trying the swings, improving on the swings and everything. So naturally, they don't have a second life after golf.
No, not really.
Isn't that boring?
No, I mean, I've been playing for about 12 years now, and it's part of my everyday routine. It's part of my life. I enjoy doing this.
So what is the motivational factor?
I think just ever since I was little, I've always wanted to become professional, and I just can't quit now. I need to achieve my dream and just make myself proud and also my family proud.
Tell me, your journey so far.
Well, when I started, I just played junior tournaments. I didn't really take it as serious. And when I was about 12 years old, I started playing in tournaments like PKB, which is a famous girls-only tournament in the States. I started playing AJGA, American Junior Golf Associations,
Okay.
Which helped me with my ranking, my junior ranking and my WAGR rankings. And right now, I'm planning on playing some LET Access Tour events. I did Q School in December. I'm hoping to get my card, but I wasn't able to. So maybe this year I'll try again. But yeah, I'm just trying to play. And right now I'm just trying to get a scholarship to a university in America.
Okay, 3 years you are now staying in Qatar and this Education City Golf Club where you are practicing or training. I mean, can you briefly talk about it?
I love it there. It's amazing. I love the practice facilities there. I'm able to practice my putting, my short game, all in one. The driving range is amazing with TrackMan. It's helped me a lot. And my coach there, Martin, he's been amazing for me. I enjoy taking lessons with him. And I also have a trainer, TPI trainer, Gary. He's helped me develop my strength in the gym. And also there was my decade coach, which is my kind of mental game coach, Miles, and he's helped me a lot with overcoming challenges when I have really difficult times on the golf course, and it's helped me develop as a person as well.
Mental coach, right?
Yes.
So how important is the mental coach in golf?
A lot. It's definitely.
Can you explain a bit on this?
Of course. For golf, it's a very mental sport. You're gonna have bad breaks, and then your emotions, you're gonna feel a lot of anger and a lot of just discomfort basically. And having a mental coach out there was able to tell me good advices, telling me you need to focus on the next shot. You can't think about the past. You have to let go of it and just focus and make every shot count. Every stroke in the tournament always counts, so you have to make them the best, and that's helped.
So any idol, any favorite golfer that you looked upon, I would like to become this particular golfer?
I really like Colin Morikawa. He's one of my favorite golfers.
Okay.
I like the way that his iron game is really strong, and he's been my fan favorite. There's also Nelly Korda. She's a good golfer, and she's been really dominant recently, so I strive to be like her one day. Yeah.
Tiger Woods is a superhero in golf.
Tiger Woods has just been amazing. Like in the 2000s, he basically won everything. And just the way that he presented himself on the golf course was very different from others. And I think that's why he's very famous and everyone adores him. I myself even adore him. So one day I hope I can meet him. Yeah. How
do you balance studies with sports?
It's hard. It's definitely hard. I prioritize my golf over my academics. It's not a good thing, but I want to be able to be like the best, so I need to prioritize my golf. But right now it's hard to balance because I'm a lot doing homework, and that kind of limits my time on my practicing. But I try my best. So yeah.
And Qatar, a country that you have seen in the last 3 years. Can you describe?
It's been nice. I really enjoy it. I really enjoy the winter time. It's really nice. I like the weather in the winter time.
You enjoyed the World Cup?
I definitely enjoyed it. It was fun. I loved all the amount of fans that came here, all the activities that they held in West Bay and like the Corniche. We went. Me and my mom, we went there, and we would go to like the activities that they have. Watching the football matches was really fun, and I enjoyed like the vibe of it, the energy that they had. Yeah, it was really fun.
Which game you went for?
We went to the US and Wales game.
US, and only just one game?
Only one game, yes.
So the stadiums are pretty big away, right?
Yeah.
So which stadium design that really caught your attention? Oh, this is really wonderful. This is like wow stadium.
I really like the Al Janoub Stadium in Al Waqqa. That was really nice, like the little pearl design and the way that they can open the roof and close it. That was very creative, and I like that one. Yeah. I don't really have a wide range of food. I'm a very picky eater.
You're very picky.
Yes.
Yeah. About Indian and Pakistani foods?
Never. I've never.
You never ever had?
No.
Okay, the biryanis.
I've had biryani.
You had?
Yes, yeah.
Okay, so you liked it, biryani?
Yeah, I enjoy it, yeah. That's the only good that I enjoy.
What other sports that you can, play, apart from golf? Let's not play golf and let's try something else.
I can play volleyball, basketball, football. I can play a little bit of badminton, a little bit of tennis. I do martial arts a little bit, and yeah, that's mostly it. Yeah.
And in football, popular game, Thailand has a very good, solid, strong football team as well. So football is the game of this region as well, number one sport. So you must have followed the World Cup. We have followed the World Cup, definitely one game you have watched. Football idols, football stars that you really, is a very good player.
I like Ronaldo. I like the way that his mindset is, and just his dedication towards his sport, and just how strong mentally he is. That's someone that I look up to, and the way he presents himself is very
So
nice.
You're in the Ronaldo group.
Yeah.
You're upsetting a lot of your friends maybe who are Messi fans.
It's okay.
And apart from these two gentlemen, any other footballers that you really think that they are going to be the future stars?
Right now, I really like Lamine Yamal. He's a really good player, especially as a 17-year-old too. And it's actually crazy to me how a 17-year-old, someone that's my age, as well as this big superstar that everyone knows now, and it's amazing how young we can be and we can grow so fast.
What would be your message to to your youngsters, the same age group?
Don't try to focus on worldly things, world stuff. Just focus on yourself mostly. Focus on your dreams, and it'll pay off. It will
pay off?
Definitely, yeah.
What life has taught you so far?
Don't get upset over the small things. Focus on the bigger thing. And just, you only live once, so if one person does you wrong, you always have to forgive them. And have a good heart. Always, try to be a good person. Give the best to everyone. Surround yourself with good people, and if you see someone that needs help, you go help them immediately. You don't just look at them. And I myself just try to be the best person and the best version of myself. So
well said, and quite philosophical. A golfer can also become a philosopher.
Yeah.
Thanks for joining FM 107 and Spodcast program, Kanchana.
Thank you.